Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Best Home Remedies. If you are suffering from snoring, then this is the best treatment for tip up. 1 week of using this tip will ease your problem. You can use another week if you need it. To prepare this remedy, you will need just one ingredient, which is neem. Take neem leaves 10 to 12, salt half teaspoon, water 1.5 glass. Boil 1 glass of water. Add neem leaves. Keep boiling for 5 to 10 minutes. Turn off flame. Add half teaspoon of salt in it. Leave until temperature decreased. Wash your nose using this lukewarm water. Use this tip 2 times a day for 1 week. Thanks for watching.